The 3K people, man, them over here saying we connect today when the Wi-Fi come in there and drop.
Ready to go to your feet, man. Look up the smoke in there.
Yeah. See, place I look fun.
Yes, I hear something.
And I look alright, though. There's no more sign of my mother. And the first girl.
Yeah, you can scan. You can scan it. You can scan my own.
Nice, man. That's nice.
Yeah, and just relax.
Come on, go look with Alex. Come on, go look with her. I mean, I know dog, yeah. I know dog, that's it.
Actually, no, all about my past, so I never to know you so good.
So wait, disappear, guy? I didn't pick it.
I only think going upstairs with your other sister. They know they might go take away your baby from you.
Disappear.
But see, look a bit comfortable, not true. And you know, if you pull this out the way, if you don't want to just use this aside. Yeah, so. Me know what's a me can look for. Come here, you're right to do it. Hold on, me see. Hey girl, get big at you. That booty out the door. Tikas, we don't know what we say. Bro. We say what Alex? Alex gone with Daniel. Then soon come. Then gone with Daniel, then soon come. Oh, Daniel. No, he gonna pick up something, he soon come. Man, Alex gone up there, so then soon come, you know, guys. Let me charge up your phone so when they come, you see everybody. You act like me, I hide nobody from one. They soon come. Then gone up this stuff will come back. Everybody there, chup gone up upstairs. Then gone look carry chup upstairs. Everybody will say, oh, store me, I got black or no. Where we dance at there. Just stop for right now, please. Me there so with my family. Stop. Like. Stop. Like, see you. Stop. I tell you the truth. Just let me enjoy that little moment with my daughter. I beg, you know. Alright? And then Mrs. said the life I go get corrupt, me I go any. Just stop. I just want to spend some time with my daughter. And on my Wi-Fi, people then Wi-Fi. Chrissy, thank you, baby. Carl Jagger. Oh, so you're gonna just drive then? Then soon come back down. Alright, baby. Send for Jagger. Congrats, Annie. Thank you, baby. Use. But I don't need a negative comment situation. Well, away I go there start chill and stuff. Well, if them start with the foolishness, I go lock it down. Hey, baby. Where is who? Don't read the negative comments. Hey, baby, thank you so much. You're good, yeah. Me good. Oh, thank you. Me go upstairs go see where them are doing. But me I want them to look at Wi-Fi go come on. Fire go come on. Fire go come out.
I can't cool it, I can't cool it.
Wow. There's some reason feel like you know me. You always look at me like you know me.
You know me, you look at me more.
Eh, man, I feel so. Choopsy, we're not too feel so. Choops, come here. I'm not gonna come back and take you.
That means you stop taking me. You're too obsessed and attached. So what am I do? You
attached to Joe.
You attached.
You see the way you come from your first baby, so you're going to be attached. Like, literally.
Years I want myself there with him. Hello. Guys, can I get a galaxy? One galaxy. One whale. Ceremony. One jet. One ring.
Holy for girl, you have running, you know. Yeah, holy.
You're gonna sell it, right?
Send for your send for Jagger, shut it. They come back to the wee. Why? Zoe. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, we can't get one galaxy for you.
He makes me talk like one already.
Ba.
That's Baba. Not much now. Not much now.
Hey guys, my name is Bubblegum. Few minutes. One love woman.
Sorry for long.
24 hours. Make her wake up.
Hey, you can't. It could be having me now.
Hi. 24 hours. We're going on 24 hours. Thank you, T. Yeah, me can I really wake it. One blue team. Hey girly, hey pretty. You look good. Me? Alia.
Hi, Grandma.
Pretty girl, Ali. How about blue girl? You good. See when we get one perfume. Somebody can send one answer. I want money gun. Nobody like me over here. Hey Twinkle. 24 hours. What the fuck I got at 24 hours?
Sell out, baby.
No.
No, I'm not selling out.
no.
You just go from hand to hand.
I don't. Too evil.
But I was being funny.
24 hours.
I was being so fun. Me have one chin too, you know.
Love when you're really happy, you know.
You can't leave now. No, stop the coming
Was you gifted you black by mistake? I've been telling you. Me black you by mistake?
No.
Give them at least your bad mind, you see, girl. You want your bucket to and drop in your one body, you see. Your bad mind, so but give them 24 hours. Move.
I wouldn't do what you talk about to me.
If you not give me one money gun, me nah move. You want to see the family? Give me a money gun. Congratulations. Thank you. Give me a money gun if you want to see the family. Because now bush bad about 24 hours. We're going to cuss. So no move for us, so. Sub chat. No, me not sub chat them for talk. After them bad mind people are important. They're not important. They move. Me I read the good comments them. I want them more bad. Me go stop watch them, you know, and really want them like the girl in here, Brianna will say, hey pretty Ali, hi baby. One girl will say, family.
Ali.
Yeah, babe. Eh? No, you have it. Pumba, me get money gun, me move. Me I come back now with money gun done. The money gun done now, guys, so I have to come back. Me get one money gun a while ago. Thank you so much. Money gun done. More another one. And me move again. One another one chat and me move. See red dance there? Red dance there behind me. Get one more me move. One more me move chat.
I want to let them move.
Who name Baba?
Yes, I'm come out that way. See, you know what is say anyway, Baba? I say Baba Z come.
How name Baba you?
Zoe, big son. Give her a galaxy. Give one galaxy.
You want galaxy, guys. You want galaxy.
Alright, me go move for a minute because the lady send one money gun. You see, if the lady never send no money gun, me would move.
Come guys, come on, can I camera? Guys, hey, I like say.
I learned to chat before you walking.
So she frightened.
Two of them spoil we can't see for the baby.
Me spoil him and she spoil him.
These two of them spoil
I'm a dog, them come with a chopstick. I'm never ever see a mopstick.
Oh,
I'm eat Chinese food, yeah.
Shy hands.
Shing shang hung, shing shang, shing shang. Alex, nice man. My girl, I'm on your look.
So they need the palette. Oh, yeah, Charlie.
You see? I saw. I'm a dad and roll with the chopstick. I'm a beamer, do a back flick. And the map now work with the stick. Chang ching 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 ching. I saw you go me listen to your song. Double chat, bubble gum. Mika. Somebody said you.
Brother.
I laugh you laugh, brother. We not excuse till we get another money gun. One nice lady send more money gun, and now me look one more. And I laugh, she laugh, I fought, she fought.
Bring down the man to push her ask her.
Ooh. Wait, chat.
We need for what more upon this man.
But what the baby?
Yeah, you have to man about the life. But me I said here is, you want to get to a police link and get investigated for this.
Mummy, me mute live, eh?
Yeah, me what me man. What me, we don't know. We need to talk on the live. We need to talk on the live. You see me?
Some people are waste people there.
Remember me tell you say when you get chopping now, no own chop when you get chopped. Remember me tell you that. See me I saw my family go do not worry about me and investigate about me or me buy car, everything. You see, oh God bless no man curse. You get set up. Remember me tell you that. All of your source them, when you want to source, we know everything we want to do. Call Jagger. We are going to do that, baby.
Call Jagger.
Listen to me now, guys. To mix up, send some gift. And to mix up for true. And for stop it. It's not nice. Send some gift over here, guys. Let me get back on it. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, the whole thing was going, right? So because woman say me post say me buy me no say me buy no car, you know, me post say me get have the car today, you know. She have the man over him life and jog down the man from the girl, dirty girl she here say me buy car, girl am mad over there.
I really
hold on, no man. See, you know, say the same girl send people come on me yard, and the whole of them I get trapped. You see the girl where she a work with and send her come on my place.
Yeah.
Me find out the girl name today. Me tell you, say me trappy blood clot girl. Today me find out the whole information who she a send come on me yard, everything. Go down. Thinking girl, yeah, go down. Remember me tell you that. You love people business too much.
My dear.
My dear.
My dear.
My love. Be a dead girl.
What can I say?
Man over the Ants family. Pull up. Yeah, man over the Ants family.
Shit. You see this Abatia? No, BBL. Crazy.
Murder Samantha.
Crazy.
Murder Samantha.
Crazy. You see this guy tomorrow. Nah, top. Leave how we name.
Just see them.
When I have to do no BB, I put her away. I tell her.
You know, we not say nothing. We are gonna shut up.
That is it.
Well, I'm just going in the background.
No. Chat.
It's a salvage, you know.
You beg on the song gift.
We need one song we say, just like a fellow say, welcome to the family, God.
Mika is inside. 1, 2, 3, she's coming. Why? She need to go to the doctor for the injection for the ass there. That alone she need to go.
We are going mad girl.
They have the same face.
What do you mean?
You need doctor too. Me. See all the share people over here, so pile up in the comment section and come out here. Come out.
But them pile up.
Come out.
On a pile up.
Not have strength for people too much. If she's that, if she's that important, if she's that motherfucking girl, she focus on herself. She don't need people. She don't need to call up people name to get a little food.
And I send people.
And that's what she do every time. Call up people name to make a little food. She not in a class.
Where girl the name again?
Smile now, cry later. Me, not cry. What that girl say about me what she never said before? Eh?
No, honestly.
What she said about me what me never hear before?
Stand up and deal with. Do not idiot. You have to deal with that. Anna, hold on now. Make you give chat one look up, please. We know about toxic. You look at informer friend. Yeah, we know about all of your people then where you send come on my yard. You get trapped, girl. Remember me tell you that. You see what you want do? Me know all your food. Hey, me not talk. There's something I come for you. Remember me tell you, you see that done said, girl, yeah? You see me where you say I done said? Me know everything what me fi know about you. Even who you send off for me know who them be. You see how the girl named Toxic? You see the girl when named Toxic where they are Christiana? Hey girl, remember me tell you, me don't talk. Make sure you know so we know everything. We trap you because you love people business. You're too blood clot enough. Look on your mad out over there. Go ahead.
Commercial break. Commercial break.
You look like you really miss each other sometimes. Watch your face.
No. I don't say nothing. Look at peace, man. Right now, we don't feel focus on nobody. Just try to start enjoy. We look at time and not focus on nothing. You're not trying to give TikTok a break. I can't give TikTok a vacation.
I said them, I beg myself to come off, Anna.
How you got them come off, Annie?
I said, I want time I know they on the media, my people, they must say, where Annie there? Annie and now come live, they must say, if we come out, they want to get rid of we off of the media. We never know, so we take over the whole media. Oh. You think this is salsa myself?
No, we just like it.
Really? It's cool. I don't want no more, give it to me.
Tell Annie to put me in the box. You can't put it in the box, I can't read.
Who is that?
One lady. So she put her in her box.
Alex.
Send back a request because like a million people send requests over there. So here. Send it back. Are you a nurse? Alright, nurse. Send it back. I don't see it. Too much people over here. I don't see you. My blood clot. What is the lady there? Not to see her in my chat. No, not my chat. Oh, my sister used to add me. I see this, I'm see if I see you. I'm to Bams, man. Bams to not play no much easy. They say add mommy nurse, so I'm not see her in the comment section. I can't come add her. Mommy and nurse. Jesus Christ. So I false information, I'm going to give you one nurse. Yo, Zoe, I can't work this, you know? Can't do this, Zoe. I can't do this. She said she had the nurse. She said that I'm coming. She said she coming. Why, miss? Don't come, miss. She'll come. Over here. So Zoe, finally meet you. Me come sit here. Zoe, finally meet you. So me ask my sister. Go. You can't break this, sir. Hello. Put it back in her body. Easy the body. Put it back in her body. The blood clot here that in a girl. So Zoe, what going?
That's my friend.
Bitch! So my sister. You can't do this, huh? You can't breathe.
Yeah, look up pinch me.
Dear.
You can't pinch.
Dear. So me compete in Grand Brady.
And then you know, say, so this what I name go.
Yeah, girl.
You got diva. I know.
Tell you the truth.
I'm talking about it.
Because it's stress.
Yes,
Did you see that while ago?
I'm good. I see some ear and I feel one.
So guys, now focus on negativity right now. We just see my sister, I feel good. See my mother, I feel good. I know me cannot give me trouble, so I'm good. No, Zoe, no, Zoe, no. Zoe, no. Zoe, you have the one. So guys, Zoe's me say Penny is strong. He's strong. Add nurse. Alright. I'm gonna talk to your nurse. Why me not see nurse come up? I delete some of them requests. I can maybe I full up your box, you know. Nurse, send it back. Send back a request. She got germ. Probably. See how Van is sending a message Vani. Oh, me not see nurse. Okay, she name. Here see. Alright, wait. Me know say a nurse she go name me know. And she's still not there. You don't feel like I lie me I tell Zoe! Come here. Come look at see Chrissy that stuff for me other. Come in and see her. Look at see her for other. Come in and see her. She said her mommy nurse. She there.
Oh, my tablet loading.
Oh, when you done add that lady there, she said she want to come up. Contact to mommy.
This person have 1K followers and
No, not them.
Me know, me say the one.
This woman right here, so. Who, Vani? I lie. Mommy want to talk to Vani. Oh, you know Vani not like you either.
Vani not like me.
Vani even dey on live. It even look like.
Bye-bye. No, Mrs. Evans.
Oh no, I will live bad after me that too.
Oh yes. I said, what? Me know what?
You know, I will live bad after me that too. I say, I hate that filter here. I want to filter that. Oh, I don't want anyone use filter, man. I'm still brown, man. No, it's nice, man. I the one with me using my use. One is nice, I fuck. Link me, dog. How we attack Clarendon? Jagger, somebody say for Lincoln. Name Clarendon.
Hello. Hi, pretty lady. How are you?
What the fuck me want spotlight for do?
Yeah, Jesus.
Oh, no can't chat, sir. I'm gonna swallow radio.
I'm swaggling here.
I two radio, I'm gonna swallow a tree. Me just wanna know. I RFM, I'm gonna swallow. Easy, man. Come like on a swallow a whole blood clot radio station them, bro. Zip 103, the whole of them. You play with Jamie Badness. You play with the youth and Jamie. You and Jamie play, Alex? She and Jamie play? Jamie. Me I look walk your fuck. I want to tell him, let me take a seat, cause I understand me say no, me have to, it hurt my heart. Me have to look walk. Nobody not support me on TikTok no more. Me have to go look at walk. Survival is winning in the Franklin. So one way or the other, me have to go look at walk. You understood it?
So beautiful.
You get me I say?
You're welcome.
Me have to go look at walk. One hour now if you hire me, because I want to be one dentist for 1 hour no bumbo clot. Yeah? Every day they have problem with me. Being in their mouth corner. Being in their mouth corner. Bumbo clot. No, I can't be your dentist. I have to be there because dirty people are dentists. I want to go in their mouth corner. I want to be all their feeling. Because they have problem with me with everything I do. Baba! Watch you little lady. Right? Me dear. No come on, take Jesus as swan me get.
Ooh, that's a baby.
You see the ugly duckling ever. Me say the ugly duckling ever turning out. Me say the ugly duckling ever turning out pretty. How I call you at this time? Shut up. We will block him.
He hungry. Yeah, let's see what she said.
Everybody a hypocrite on TikTok. And a crooks are chooks. CHUCKS. CHUCKS. Shook. At least we get one swan and I can't send everybody yet me.
When I go call with till you're not dead. You don't know who already has stopped my phone. You don't stop act like you don't know who already has stopped my phone. You don't know who has stopped my phone already. Who obsessed about me on social media? I'm not telling you, say, my girl, make it, the people that I call me and not listen to me. Oh.
This is the moon, okay?
Yeah, boy. Oh, look, can't hear me now, chat. Boy. Yeah, boy. Guys, I want to get some for drink before night done, you know, because I enjoy myself with my family. Yeah, boy. Look how good girl Anya make girl dead. Girl does a shit up themselves, so. Oh, them are mad over me, so. When I stop my phone.
They must stop me.
They must stop it too. When I stop the whole family, we not go nowhere. Yeah, this squad come up. Jealousy I kill them. Jealousy I kill them with a mad no. The Hans family, one Hans family don't. Use another phone. Yeah, me go change. You know, say Vani tell me, Jagger, me go change my number tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure. And from what Vani tell me.
Change my number to
I'm just got about 3 number.
She said put it on and do not this. Him put it on it. Yeah, they put it on it though. Him. Yeah, that. Well, them a stop my pitney phone them now. Them a call on you all of my pitney them phone now. Them hear some buy car and it a mad them out. Them a investigate. One bag of things them they pan, guys. You don't know where you sell. We have so many things to make you know what go on. Whole heap of things are going. I dead them are dead over there. Make them go on dead. Make them go and drop down. Bad mind girl where they pan the app and watch me we can't do nothing for themselves. I'm there with my family. One family. What's what they got?
I think I'm right.
Of course, I jagger that. My son, one jagger, never two. Love you, Annie. Love you too, baby.
Love you too,